Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. The scenic road to Hana is one of the number one attractions in Maui, popular amongst tourists. I made sure it was a priority during my trip to Maui and put together a list of my favorite road to Hana stops. Welcome to the road to Hana, Maui, Hawaii. My favorite is the Pipiwai Trail. With its stunning waterfalls, huge bamboo forest, and more beauty than you can imagine, is simply one of the best hikes on Maui. Located above the 7 sacred pools, Pipiwai Trail is 4 miles round trip and gains 650 feet of elevation. There are several great waterfalls along the route, but the destination being Waimoku Falls, which drops 400 feet down a sheer lava rock. My second favorite is Black Sand Beach at mile marker 32. A short hike from the spacious parking lot leads you down to the beach where the blue waters and lush green forest contrast against the breathtaking black sand. Kaihalulu Beach is one of only a few red sand beaches in the world. It is part of a crumbling red cinder cone that cuts deep into Kauai Head on the eastern side of the island. At around mile marker 22, you will find Puaka State Wayside Park. Here, you will find a paved trail to several small falls and a picnic area. A larger falls can also be accessed upstream via a dirt trail. At mile marker 10, you will see Garden of Eden. This family-owned arboretum is home to over 700 botanically labeled specimens and several waterfall lookouts. At mile marker 2, you will see Twin Falls. The Twin Falls is located on a family-owned farm. I took the Lower Falls Trail, a quick and easy walk from the parking lot. Approximately 6 miles before Hana town, Nahiku Marketplace is a great place to stop, shop, eat, relax and re-energize for the rest of your journey. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will meet you guys in my next video.